3 stars 2, and we have taken a topic about the theme 3. These are my team members, and these are the details, theme details we're going to talk about. And then this is our problem statements talking about an AI tutor found on STEM education fields using agentic AI to provide explanations and solve problems step by step. So this is the proposed solution, solution overview, which talks about personal STEM tutor and agentic AI RAG powered teachers, not just answers, backed by real knowledge and always available. And when we go to the next slide, we have a block diagram talking about an architecture blueprint. So at the first, there is a UI reference interference, allow students to interact using text, voice, or images, and this also supports real-time feedback, hints, and clarifications to guide learning. And the second block diagram is about orchestra, which manages the flow of data between modules, and it also talks about the components which should be respond to a student query. And then talking about the third block diagram, which is agentic AI, which performs deep reasoning, planning, multi-step problem solving, and also decides how to best approach a question based on student level and context. And then talking about the third block diagram, which is RAG module, it retrieves relevant educational content and then enhances tutor answering using up-to-date trusted academic sources. And the fourth block diagram is solver agent, executes the actual problem solving steps and generates intermediate steps that help students follow the logic. And next is the explainer agent, converts technical solutions into clear, understandable explanations. And it also adds visual aids or analogics tailored to students' learning styles. And next is about step by step output, which talks about breakdowns of answers with diagrams, graphs, and highlights, helps learners grasp complex concepts through structured explanation. And the last block diagram is about feedback and learning record, logs students' interference to personalize future tutoring. When we go on to the next slide, we have role of Gen AI in the solution, which helps understands what students are really asking and then finds the right information, solves problems step by step, explains things in a way students understand, keeps things safe, fair, and private. And the next slide is about technology used. We have used two technologies. One is about the Amazon Bedrock, and the next is IBM Granite. When we talk about Amazon Bedrock, we think of a ready-made AI lab which do not need to build anything. We are using a search real learning context using Amazon Kendra, and with Bedrock agents, it can walk students through math or science problems step by step, just like a tutor. It's easy to use, works out of a box, and gives access to powerful models like Claude or Titan. And the next is about IBM Granite. IBM Granite helps modules which are safe, ethical, and accurate learning. You can use them to generate clear explanations, answer tricky questions, or guide students to concepts. It's a part of IBM Watson's AI platform, which is user friendly even if you're not an AI expert. It also explains everything and it is also private and bias free, so it's easy to deal with classrooms or personal learnings. So, this is all about our project. Thank you.